Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Live for the Experience. Y'all, I've missed filming so much, but I had to film today because we have a hotel. And I think I'm gonna do like a day-by-day series where I do. Today is gonna be day one, of course. So yeah, today's day one at Ocean Coral Spring. Yes, I want to take y'all with me. We checked in at like 3:10. The check-in starts at 3. Very quick, it took us less than 20 minutes to check in. We got there, no line, got straight in. But anyway, welcome back. Let's go inside. We could go to that room, we could go to the niceness. Because we get one little pool view. I'll probably do a room tour. Since it's day one, I'll give you like a run through of the room. Like just I want touch, no talking. But anyway, let's go. The sun is hitting out, sure, but we're on our way down to go get something to eat. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. We have the elevator tour right now. Like, I don't know how y'all do it, but straight here and the wind, they're not best friends. They're not best friends at all. So they have like a restaurant alley, so to speak. All the restaurants are facing each other. So right now it's probably 5 o'clock and they don't open until 6. They open from 6 to 10, so we're probably gonna have to go to a cafe, get something light until it's around 6 o'clock. Then we can get something heavy to eat. The restaurant time frame kind of tight because they open from 6 to 10. As you can see them behind me, nobody's there. It's just empty. It's like they're prepping for the time to come. Imagine the restaurants being open all day. People that just eat all day and that cost them more money because all inclusive. 4 to 10 because they have 10 restaurants. So it's probably a first come first serve basis. The only restaurant that requires a reservation is Sakura. The others is just walk in, no reservations. So on the move again. I want to go and see the water park. Where is it? Wow, this is nice. Right at the water park, they have like a little snack. Food, probably not food, but probably a little snack hot dog. I'm thinking something kid friendly. Probably clothes. What do you have during the day though? What do you usually have?
Corn dog, fried beans, and
Oh, corn dog, hot dog, beef burger. Okay, so like fast food.
hot dog, burgers,
And soda.
yeah.
Alright.
No problem.
I have some nice hammocks around here. These hammocks are nice. Whew. From the hammocks back there. Oh, these people have a swim up room. This is what the swim up room is like. You have your room right there on the bottom floor and the pool right on your balcony. The wind is crazy. The jerk Jamaican grill, and you can get jerk chicken, jerk pork, every roast yam. Feel like I'm gonna eat some roast yam tomorrow. From what time to what time I'm open?
They close about 2, actually.
2. What time they open? 8, 9. Okay. And the beach, and there's like a big ass chair. Oh, them actually have like one of them sign that will tell you which way is what. Whew. Anyway. Oh, this is the famous Jamaica letters that everybody take pictures in front of, and the famous big chair. Sea conditions good is green, caution yellow, danger red. Right now we are seeing a red string, so that means danger. So nobody should probably go in the water at this time. But people over there, so like probably I wet them knee. Oh, you can actually dine on the beach side. How nice is that?
Windy, huh?
Very windy. Yeah. This is a nice beach. I wonder, are these fake candles? Yeah, these are fake candles. But there's no real candle can light out here. So. Sunset. They have hammocks in the water as well. Lifeguard on duty between 9 and 5 p.m. 5 o'clock gone. Swim at your own risk after 5. Oh, they have a bar on the beach. That's nice. I'm giving it a 5. As it said, it's a US restaurant, so I expected it to be salt and pepper type of restaurant. But anyway, we're going back to the room now. We just checked the theater. Nothing is going on in there, so I guess no movie tonight. I can't smell, but I'm still attack. So right now, going back to the room to change. There's a beach party tonight at 9. So I guess we have some time. Hey y'all, so it's like 10:30 p.m. and we're just getting ready to go down to the beach. Let's catch up me here a night. They're having a night party. You probably heard it earlier when somebody was talking to us. But yeah, I'm just in this like little two-piece outfit. If it crop top and this flare leg pants. And yeah, we're finna head down to the beach. And maybe go clubbing after, but I'll take y'all with me. And then if the video just ends, like 12 o'clock just came and I'm like, cut. Or maybe I'll outro it tomorrow. But let me show y'all a little snippet. Just know that there's gonna be music. So I won't be talking to y'all, you know, because copyright, whatever. But anyway, let's go. Jacket just in case it gets cold. Then also we come. Tom 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 tom. Tom tom tom. Yeah.
Good night.
Good night. Hey y'all, so went to the party. Y'all saw it. It's not in at it. Probably at 1 o'clock. So we went to bowling, as y'all saw. Anyway, them lock. Oh my gosh, them lock. Them open from 3 to 11. 3 o'clock to 11. That is so late. But anyway, right now we're just a walk because there has to be something to do. Even if we get like some drinks apart from down at the party. Like where else can I get some drinks or some a snack or something? You know? I feel like I can queue. Yeah, casino. You locked too? Even the casino is, how can a casino be closed before midnight? I mean, midnight is when people start really putting the money because they are open win stuff before them go sleep. You know? But anyway, let's go. So sports bar open, but it seems as though it's closing now. So we try to go to the disco, but the disco is closed. I guess they can't have a disco and a beach party at the same time. I don't know, but let's see what happens. Anyway, y'all, good night. So the party ended at 12 and basically back in the room. Yeah, I'm just gonna sleep and wake up early tomorrow morning and probably do a lot, like actually do stuff, because today was more of a walk around and see what's happening type of vibe. But anyway, bye. I'll catch you in day 2. Comment, subscribe, like that.